ngaduk really ngaduk bunggul like nene ngawuk di ngaduk bunggul Marrnguny ngaduk bunggul pat marek ngawai ni marek ngabut me marek ngabengan nago juga jungkai ngabengan ngabut me iman ngaduki jungkai namake ngabut me kare mago nang ngaben nanda iman ngai ngara dang kabiri bangan kabiri me bunggul ngai ngakon nago ji ngaduk Gunborrk ngabot me Gunborrk tar me boñ nah me ngabut me ngawage Gunborrk. And like what I'm saying, I've got bunggul, but I've got song, but I don't sing because I didn't get used to, and I only play Gunborrk, bongling, and like I don't know much how to play didgeridoo. In my bunggul, and I only know play bongling mago. That one we call Gunborrk, and because this my bunggul it's bunggul it's my dream it's a little fish, little catfish. That's the Yirritja, small one, black one. They live in the billabong. Sometimes we see, but it's dangerous. We can't grab it because he's got nails in his back, and it's dangerous. And when we touch it, when we get here on the foot, we go into hospital. It's really dangerous. So thank you.